The second Sicha to Parshas Bamidbar in Likutei Sichas Chelik Yud Gimel came out for Shabbos Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel. But the strange thing is that when you look at Ha'ara 1, it's a long Ha'ara, kimat a whole page. That Ha'ara is basically the Sicha that the Rebbe spoke on Shabbos Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel. The Sicha here is from a Fabrengen of Bamidbar Tovshin Chav Zayin. But this Ha'ara is the whole Sicha that the Rebbe spoke, the Rasha that the Rebbe spoke, by the Fabrengen of Shabbos Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel. And it's a Pele, because if the Sicha came out for Shabbos Parshas Bamidbar, how is it possible that this Ha'ara is the Rasha that the Rebbe said the next morning by the Fabrengen of Shabbos Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel? So I just want to explain how it happened. But Derech Klal, the Sicha, the Likud, that would come out for Shabbos, came out before Shabbos. Sometimes a day or two before Shabbos, sometimes just on Friday Mamish, but it always came out printed before Shabbos. Kimat always. Very, very seldom did it not come out for Shabbos. This Likud, for Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel, the year Tovshin Lamed Gimel, for some reason it got held up, and when it came to Shabbos, it wasn't ready yet. And it didn't come out for Shabbos. Shabbos by Fabrengen, the Rebbe spoke a Rasha. Actually, it wasn't a Rasha, it was a posting why Rasha doesn't explain it like the Rebbe sometimes would explain. And the whole Arichis, and the Likud wasn't out yet. So when we heard what the Rebbe said, we thought to ourselves that since the Likud is not out yet, and here is a chance to take what the Rebbe said by the Fabrengen on the Rasha, Shabbos Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel, and we could give it in and see maybe this could become a horror, like we did many times, that if there was something that was shayches and the Rebbe said it by a different Fabrengen, we would put it in and the Rebbe was Magiyah. So we thought here's a chance for the Rebbe to be Magiyah, another Rasha. So we wrote up the Nakuda of the Sicha of that Shabbos, gave it into the Rebbe, asked the Rebbe if this could be added to the Likud that wasn't printed yet for Parshas Bamidbar as a Ha'ara. And the Rebbe was Magiyah it, and the Rebbe agreed, and that's how it went into the Ha'ara 1 of the Sicha. So here this is a Likud that came out for Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel, and nevertheless it has a Ha'ara which is this Sicha of the Rashi that the Rebbe said, the Shabbos of Parshas Bamidbar Tovshin Lamed Gimel.